Now let us see some samyuktakshar. Samyuktakshar means conjuncts. Okay, for here I have written some simple examples. Okay, simple examples for samyuktakshar. Okay, see first one, samyuktakshar means conjuncts. Samyuktakshar means conjuncts. Here see it plus ta. Okay, it plus ta becomes itta. It plus ta becomes itta. The word is patta. Okay, the word is patta. Pronunciation is patta. The meaning is leaf. The meaning is leaf. Okay, it. See, it plus ta, itta, patta. Okay, patta. The pronunciation is patta. The meaning is leaf. Okay, the meaning is leaf. Likewise, we can write any letters. Okay, any combination of letters, then it will becomes conjuncts. Any combination of these letters. Okay, let us see the second one. Second one is is. Okay, is plus ta. Okay, is plus ta, ist. Okay, ist. The word is sasta. The word is sasta. The word is sasta. The pronunciation is sasta. The meaning is cheap. The meaning is cheap. Okay, it is plus ta, ista, sasta. Okay, sasta. Pronunciation is sasta. The meaning is cheap. Okay, let us see the third one. Third one is it. Okay, it plus ya. It plus ya. Okay, itya. Itya. Here see satya. Okay, here see satya. Satya, truth. Okay, satya, truth. It plus ya becomes itya. The word is satya. Pronunciation is satya. The meaning is truth. Likewise, we can write. Okay, likewise we can write these type of letters and pronounce it and take the meanings. Okay, see the fourth one is ik. Okay, fourth one is ik plus ya. Ik plus ya. This is a short sound of ya. This is a long sound of ya. Okay, long sound ya. Kya. Okay, kya. Ik becomes ik. Half of the letter we have to write here. Okay, from the ka, ik, we have to write half. Okay, we have to write half. Kya. Kya means what? Okay, kya means what? Let us see the next one. It. Sariya, it. It plus ya. It plus ya. Tya. Patya. Okay, pat. Patya. Patya, poetry. Pronunciation is patya. Patya means poetry. Okay, patya means poetry. See the next one, ik. Next one is ik. We are having the slanting line here is called as the consonant symbol. It's called as the consonant symbol, that is ik. Ik plus ma. Okay, ik plus ma gives ikma. Ik plus ma gives ikma. The word is hukum. The word is hukum. Hukuma. Okay, hukma. The meaning is order. The meaning is order. See, ik. Ik plus ma, ikma, hukum, hukma, order. The seventh one is it. It plus ma. It plus ma. Itma. Okay, itma. Padma. 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 Lotus. Okay, lotus. Kamal also another name for lotus. Padma also called as lotus. Okay, the another name for lotus is Kamal. Okay, we all know that Kamal is called lotus. Next, it plus ta. It plus ta. Itta. It plus ta. Itta. itta, chitti. Here see, chitti. We have to write like this. No changes in this. Here the word, see here, we have to write it as half of the ka. Half of the ka. Otherwise, here we cannot split the letter. We cannot split the letter. As it, we have to write chitti. Okay, chitti. Chitti means letter. Chitti means letter. Okay, chitti means letter. It plus ta. Itta, chitti. Chitti means letter. Is it clear? Anything else you want to say? Okay, is it clear? Next, it plus ta. It plus ta. This is also itta. Then Buddha. 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 See, bu, id, da. Buddha. Buddha means aged person. Old people. Okay. Aged person. Aged person. See, the last one, ip. Ip plus ya. Ipya. Ipya. Okay. Here, ipya. Pyar. Okay. This is called ip, ya, ra. Pyar. Not is p. Ip. We have to pronounce it as ip. Pyar. Pyar means love. Okay. Pyar means love. Like this, we have to pronounce the conjuncts. Like this, we have to pronounce these conjuncts and know the meanings. Okay. Kindly take a note. Okay. Kindly take a note on this and write this, and we can take the writing practice also like this. Now let us learn how ra. Okay. Ra comes and join to the consonants, and what is the pronunciation of that word or of that letter. Okay, there are three types in this. How ra becomes and how it pronounced in these consonants. See, let us see the first one. See, ir plus ma. Okay, ir plus ma. The pronunciation is irma. The sign of this ra is only a curve. The ra is only a curve above the letter. Above the letter, that is ir plus ma, irma. The word is, see here, karma. 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 Pronunciation is karma. The meaning is action. The meaning is action. The ra becomes curve when it joins to these letters. Okay, when it joins to these letters, it becomes curve. Ir plus ma, irma, karma, karma, action. Okay, see the next one, ir. Ir plus va. Ir plus va gives irva. Gives irva. The word is parvad. The word is parvad. Meaning is mountain. Okay, the meaning is mountain. The word becomes, see, ir plus va. The va becomes irva. Irva means there is a small curve above the letter. Small curve above the letters. That is irva. The pronunciation of this letter is irva. The pronunciation of this letter is irma. So the word becomes parvat. Okay, the pronunciation is parvat. The meaning is mountain. Okay, this is the first type. Okay, this is the first type of ir pronunciation. Okay, let us go to the second one. See, the second one is ik. Ik plus ra. Ik plus ra becomes kra. The symbol is this, like one. We have to put a slant line. We have to put a slant line in this letter. That becomes ik plus ra becomes kra. Ik plus ra becomes kra. That is, see, su kra va ra. The pronunciation is sukravar. Okay, the pronunciation is sukravar. Meaning is Friday. The meaning is Friday. Ikra. The symbol of this is light a slant slant line below, slant line below the letter. Okay, slant line below the letter becomes kra. So sukravar. Okay, sukravar, Friday. Okay, see, let us see another combination. Ip plus ra. Ip plus ra means pra. Ip plus ra means pra. Okay, the word is pradhan. Pradhana. Okay, pradhan. Okay, pradhan. Pradhan. The meaning is chief. The meaning is chief. We can see that Pradhan Mandri. Okay, Pradhan Mandri. Appa Pradhan Mandri means see pra. Okay, Pradhan Mandri, chief. Okay, see, like this, the second symbol is light a slant line below the letter. You have to remember that. Okay, you have to remember that it becomes slant line. Okay, let us see the third one. The here ra when combined with the circularly letters, it becomes a two lines. It becomes a two lines. See, here we are having it. We are having it and then plus ir, tra. The symbol is here is like this. Like this. Two slant lines. Two slant lines in the opposite side. Okay, two slant lines in the opposite side. So, it plus ra. It plus ra becomes tra. It plus ra becomes tra. Here see Rashtra. Okay, Rashtra. Rashtra. The meaning is national. The meaning is national. Tra. Okay, tra. The symbol is opposite slanting lines. It. Okay, it plus ra, tra, Rashtra, national. Next one, the circular letter we can see ta, da. Da plus ra, dra. See here, I have written two slanting line with it opposite sides. Okay, tra. Here, drama. Okay, drama, drama. Okay, drama, drama. The meaning is drama, shows. Okay, like this we have to put this type of opposite slanting lines for this circulary combination with R. Okay, circulary combination with Ra. Series, see, the three rules are, first one is curve, the second one is lightly slant line, the third one is two opposite slant lines below the letters. The first one we have to write above the curve. Okay, second one is below the letters, one slant line. The third one is two slant lines below the letters. This is applicable for only circulary letters. Okay, only circulary motion will be circulary letters only. Circulary motion with the letters. Circulary letters. Okay, ip. Here only slant line, here curve. These are the rules for R. Okay, these are the pronunciation rules and combination of letters like ra before we see the conjuncts. Okay.